In this video, we're going to show you how to fix a hatch that is showing as a solid black area instead of displaying its normal pattern in AutoCAD. Hatches are commonly used to represent materials, sections, surfaces, and other important design elements within a drawing. When the correct hatch pattern is displayed, it helps improve readability and makes the drawing easier to understand. However, there may be times when a hatch that should display a pattern appears as a completely solid black area instead. This can make it difficult to see the actual hatch design and may affect the overall appearance of your drawing. In most cases, this issue is caused by an incorrect hatch scale or a display setting that prevents the pattern from being shown properly. The good news is that this problem is usually very easy to fix and often requires only a simple adjustment. By the end of this video, you'll learn a couple of quick methods to restore the hatch pattern and improve the appearance of your drawing. So, let's get started. The first method is to adjust the hatch scale. Select the hatch that is appearing as a solid black area. Open the hatch properties and locate the hatch scale setting. If the scale is too small, the hatch lines may become so dense that they appear completely filled. Increase the hatch scale gradually and watch how the pattern changes. In many cases, this immediately restores the normal hatch appearance. If the hatch still appears black, try regenerating or refreshing the drawing. Save your work and reopen the drawing if necessary. Sometimes display issues can temporarily affect how hatch patterns are shown on screen. After refreshing the drawing, check whether the hatch pattern is now visible. In most situations, these simple methods will solve the problem. Now, let's quickly recap what we covered. First, select the hatch and review its hatch scale setting. Second, increase the scale value if the pattern appears too dense. And third, refresh the drawing and check whether the hatch displays correctly. Remember that hatch patterns are made up of many individual lines. If those lines are placed too closely together, AutoCAD may display the hatch as a solid area rather than a visible pattern. Taking a few moments to adjust hatch settings can greatly improve drawing readability and make design information easier to interpret. It's also a good idea to review hatch appearance periodically, especially before plotting or sharing a drawing with others. Understanding how hatch scale affects pattern visibility can help you solve many common hatch-related issues quickly and efficiently. And that's how to fix a hatch that is showing solid black instead of displaying its pattern in AutoCAD. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who work with AutoCAD. Your support helps us create more tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and productivity tips to make your AutoCAD workflow faster and more efficient. If there's another AutoCAD feature or issue you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.